The Ufree Hair Clippers Set stands out as a complete grooming system with dedicated tools for haircuts, beard detailing, edging, and nose trimming in one organized kit. Its high-speed motor and sharp stainless steel blades cut cleanly through thick and fine hair alike, giving barbershop-level results without tugging or irritation. Cordless operation with modern Type-C charging and a clear battery display makes it easy to keep powered for long sessions and travel without worrying about sudden shutdowns. The clippers feel well balanced in the hand with a textured non-slip body that gives good control for precise lines around the neckline, beard, and sideburns. A wide range of guide combs and an adjustable lever allow very short buzz cuts, medium fades, and longer trims, so one set can handle most household hairstyles. Overall, this set suits anyone who wants professional style grooming at home, combining strong performance, flexible attachments, and comfortable handling.